almost as interested in me as I am in them. Anyway, I'll let them do their thing. Wish I had my better phone. I could zoom in. Oh, here comes another one. See those two? I'm just coming up my driveway, and this is what happened. They're just out here having dinner. Try a little closer. That starts to blur. There's 3 of them. Okay, go with your friends. Go with your friends. Bye, sweetie. Hey guys, look at this beautiful snake. He knows I'm here. He's about 4 feet long. It's a gopher snake. And I'm trying to convince him to get off the road because he was just laying out here sucking up sunshine. Come on, keep going, buddy. Look at him go. There he goes. Off the road. There he goes. He turned up another gear. There he goes. Alright, he's safe. That was a cool thing to see. I'm just in the first 4 or 5 minutes of my walk on Thursday morning. That's what I get to see. Thanks, guys. Let's see if the cicada will sing. Not very well. Check this out, guys. That's a western diamondback rattler. He's going in the culvert to get the pack rats. See the tail right there? Oh, he's all the way in. Can't see it now. Got another bunch of Javelina. So we're right here. Crossing the road, you can see one. A couple more over there. See, this one is eating. There's one behind him. There's one up there. Here's a couple more. We got 2 more